I'm the president of M2 Constructura, Mark Yabut.
Jay Yabut, Vice President for Operations of M2 Constructura, Yabut Construction.
Ma'am Lerma inquired one of our page. She gave her lot details. At first, magsusum kami. Eventually, lumamig yung transaction. And then, after a few months, nag-send si ma'am sa akin ng design. So, nabigla ako kasi iba yung design doon sa pinag-usapan namin. So, I tried to make an offer kung ano yung working budget ni ma'am. At the same time, ano yung gusto niya. Wrong send pala yon eventually because yung husband niya is kapangalan ko. Mark. So, baka na-type niya yung Mark din na send niya sa akin. So, after several meetings, I should say 2 meetings in SM Clark, yun, started the project. Ang ano ni Ma'am, ni Miss Kyla and Ma'am Lerma is, kasi wala si Sir noon, so he was in the US. So, sila yung nakikipag-deal sa amin ni Arcval. Ang inano niya sa amin is modern, contemporary, na minimalist sa interior. Signature design natin dito is it's not just in the outside. Itong open layout na to, sir. From ground to second floor. If you can check this, para siyang I-beam. But it's a false I-beam actually. To adapt to sa modern contemporary na meron siyang modern industrial.
Kung mapapansin natin, yung mga modern na projects, halos magkakahawig na or magkakamukha na. However, ang pinaka-signature talaga ng M2 Constructura, sir, is the touch of the client. Which is, sinasama namin, ini-ensure namin, na yung floor plan at yung daily activities ng client, it will be combined kung ano yung suggestion ni architect. It is a collaboration or collaborative na project. Yung bahay kasi is massive siya, medyo malaki kasi is 3 lots. Time constraint din, syempre may deadline kay ma'am. However, good thing sa company namin, so we have this site architect na in charge and all the professionals in charge. So the team collaborated, yun nga, sabi nga nila, teamwork makes the dream work. Talagang kahit nasa abroad sila ma'am, we ensure na yung nagagawa sa site is okay. And na-update sila ma'am. Good thing din na may representative sila ma'am to check from time to time and magkaroon din ng communication.
Hi, I'm Juliana Marcelo, the representative of the owner.
I'm Architect Dren, representative of MA Yabut Construction as site architect.
Nung first punta po namin dito sa bahay, na-shock po yung owner kasi yung nasa picture, kuwang-kuha po nila. And yung design po, ang ganda. May mga dinagdagan po sila na design na hindi naman namin pinano, pero goods po.
Yung challenge dyan, yung parang LDR yung isang timeline na ipapakita mo sa owner, hindi niya ma-appreciate yun sa video lang, which is nasa US sila. So, si Miss Juliana ang naging representative. Parang siya rin yung naging way para i-present yung mga materials, like yung mga ilalagay sa building, kung ano yung mga accent or aning approve. So, ang nangyari, parang through video call from US and then kasama sila. In the long run, yung process na yun, doon parang na-achieve yung from drawing, from scratch into reality. Hindi hadlang yung parang nasa ibang bansa siya. Kahit pag-uwi na niya ng Pilipinas, parang yung excited siya, then makikita niya yung mga nasa drawing, then na-input sa actual.
I would like to thank M2 Constructura for fulfilling the dream house ng tita ko and also kay Architect Dren sa pagiging cooperative.
Thankful din kami sa client kasi nag-trust sila for the whole duration of the construction. Parang, sige, kayo na bahala, pinagkakatiwala na namin sa inyo yung dream home namin. Which is mabigat sa part namin, pero alam mo yon, parang we are on high. Nasa cloud 9 kami kasi hindi basta-basta yung mabigyan ka ng mapagkatiwalaan ka with this.
With Sir Mark's feedback din, okay naman po yung design and maganda po yung bahay. Doon po nanggagaling yung satisfaction. Not just doon sa sarili mong ideas and if you'll get a good feedback like that, I think that's all matters.
Mas importante doon, no, yung nagkaroon ng friendship. Not only for the transaction, na client and contractor relationship. Parang at the end of the day, kung mapapansin nyo, parang close, yung ganon, closeness with one another. Nung nag-turnover kami, nag-punch list kami, talagang naghanda siya for us. there would be challenges, there would be concerns. However, at the end of the day, yung friendship na nag-gain namin from this is yun yung reward. You can contact us sa Facebook, M.A. Yabot Realty and Construction, or you can visit our office at Block 1, Lot 1. Malapit po kami sa Coho Cafe or yung Okasha. Malapit din po kami sa, familiar po kayo sa BGC. So along Bacolor lang din po. Kung meron po kayong mga design na gusto or kung nag-iisip pa rin po kayo kung sino yung mapagkakatiwalaan yung contractor, baka ito na po yung sign, katulad yung kay Ma'am Lerma na wrong send lang, pero mukhang yun yung naging sign para mag-build siya with our team.